Welcome. In this class, we are going to learn about integration by substitution. See, for solving this type of integrals, that is integral of ax plus b the whole raised to n into dx, integral of e raised to ax plus b into dx, integral of sine ax plus b into dx, we are giving substitution for ax plus b. That is, we are substituting ax plus b equal to t. That is, let ax plus b equal to t. Then by differentiating with respect to the variables, we get e into dx plus differential of b is 0 equal to dt, or a dx equal to dt and dx equal to 1 by a dt. Therefore, the first integral becomes integral of ax plus b the whole raised to n into dx equal to integral of ax plus b can be written as t raised to n into for dx 1 by a dt. That is 1 by a into integral of t raised to n dt. That is 1 by a integral of t raised to n dt is t raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, or it's equal to 1 by a. The value of t is ax plus b. Replace t by ax plus b. We get 1 by a into ax plus b the whole raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Similarly, we can evaluate these two integrals. See some examples. First question, solve integral of x into cos x square dx. Integral of x into cos x square dx. In this integral, see here the function and its derivative occur. For solving this type of integrals, here we are putting x square equal to t. That is, then by differentiating with respect to the variables, we get 2x dx equal to dt, or x dx equal to what? 1 by 2 dt. Okay, here see, put x square equal to t, differentiating we get 2x dx equal to dt and x dx equal to 1 by 1 by 2 dt. Therefore, the integral becomes x into cos x square dx equal to integral of, see, cos for x square, we can write it as t. Okay, cos t and x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Cos t into 1 by 2 dt. Okay, or the integral becomes 1 by 2 into integral of cos t dt. It's equal to 1 by 2 into integral of cos t dt is sin t plus c, and sin t is x square, 1 by 2 sin x square plus c. Therefore, integral of x cos x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 sin x square plus c. Another question, integral of e raised to x into tan e raised to x dx. See, here also e raised to x and its derivative e raised to x occur in this integral. So, for solving this, put e raised to x equal to t, or we are giving substitution for e raised to x equal to t, then differentiate we get e raised to x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of e raised to x tan e raised to x dx equal to integral of tan t into e raised to dx is equal to dt. E raised to x and dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of tan t into dt. That is equal to integral of tan t is, we already learned, it is minus log cos t or is equal to minus log cos t is e raised to x minus log cos e raised to x plus c, or we can write log sec e raised to x plus c. Okay. Another one, integral of root of x square plus 1 into x dx, or integral of x into root of x square plus 1 into dx. See here also the function and its derivative present in the integral. For solving, put x square plus 1 equal to t. Then differentiating we get x square's differential is 2x. 2x dx equal to dt. See, the differential of a constant is 0. So, differential of x square plus 1 is equal to 2x into dx. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of x into square root of x square plus 1 into dx equal to integral of root of x square plus 1 is equal to t. Therefore, it is equal to t, and the integral becomes integral of t into x into dx equal to, from this we can write x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. So here x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So the whole integral becomes integral of x into root of x square plus 1 into dx is equal to integral of t into 1 by 2 dt. It's equal to 1 by 2 into integral of t dt. 1 by 2 into integral of t is, sorry, it's root t. It can be written as integral of t raised to half dt. Okay. It's 1 by 2 into integral of t raised to half. Integral of t raised to half is t raised to half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c is equal to 1 by 2 into t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into t raised to 3 by 2 plus c is equal to 2 and 2 get cancels and remaining is 1 by 3 into, substitute the value for t, it's x square plus 1 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Next one, integral of x by root of x square plus 4 into dx. Similar question. For solving this, substitute x square plus 4 equal to t. Then differentiate, we get 2x, and differential of 4 is 0. 2x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes x divided by square root of x square plus 4 into dx is equal to integral of x dx can be written as 1 by 2 dt. and root of h square plus 4 is equal to root. Okay, so it's equal to 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by root t is equal to t raised to minus half into dt, or we know that root t is t raised to half. 1 by root t is t raised to minus half. Okay, it's equal to 1 by 2 into integral of t raised to minus half is t raised to minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c equal to 1 by 2 into t raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 again 1 by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 get cancels and the remaining is t raised to half plus c, and substitute the value in terms of x, we get h square plus 4 the whole raised to half plus c, or square root of h square plus 4 plus c. Okay, next one, integrate x cube dx divided by x raised to 4 minus 16. Here the function x raised to 4 minus 16 and its derivative x cube is present in the integral. For solving this, substitute x square minus minus 16 equal to t. Then by differentiating we get 4x cube minus differential of 16 is 0 into dx equal to dt, or 4x cube dx equal to dt, and x cube dx is equal to what? 1 by 4 dt. Okay, therefore the integral becomes integral of x cube dx divided by x raised to 4 minus 16 is equal to integral of x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt, and x raised to 4 minus 16 is t. Okay, it's equal to 1 by 4 into integral of 1 by t dt equal to 1 by 4 into integral. We know that integral of 1 by t dt is log t plus c, and it is again equal to 1 by 4 log value of t in terms of x is h raised to 4 minus 16 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Another one, integrate dx divided by x log x. See here log x and its derivative 1 by x present. So for solving, put log x equal to t, and differentiating we get 1 by x dx equal to dt. Okay, therefore the integral becomes integral of dx divided by x log x equal to integral of dx by x. See here dx by x is equal to dt, or 1 by x dx is equal to dt, and log x is equal to t. Okay, equal to integral of 1 by t dt. What is integral of 1 by t dt? It is log t. Okay, log t plus c. It's equal to log t in terms of x is log x. Log x plus c. Next one, integrate log x by x dx. See here log x and its derivative 1 by x present. For solving, put log x equal to t. Then differentiating we get differential of log x is 1 by x dx equal to dt. Therefore the integral becomes integral of log x by x dx is equal to integral of log x is t divided by 1 by x dx is equal to what? dt. Equal to like this, t into dt equal to integral of t dt is t square by 2 plus c. Okay, equal to next one, integral of log x by x dx. See here also log x, its derivative 1 by x present. For solving, put log x equal to t, and by differentiating we get 1 by x dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes log x divided by x dx is equal to integral of log x is t, and dx by x is equal to dt. So the integral becomes t dt. Okay, integral of t dt is t square by 2 plus c. T is in terms of x, log x the whole square by 2 plus c. Okay, next one, integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square into tan inverse x. Same type problem. For solving, put tan inverse x equal to t. Differentiating we get differential of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. Okay. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square into tan inverse x is equal to integral of, we can write dx by 1 plus x square is equal to dt. dt divided by tan inverse x is t equal to integral of 1 by t dt. Integral of 1 by t dt is log t plus c. And what is t? Log of tan inverse x plus c. Okay. Another one, integral of sin inverse x dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Here see also sin inverse x, its derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square is present. So we are putting sin inverse x equal to t, then by differentiating we get 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of sin inverse x dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to integral of sin inverse x is t, and dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of t dt. Integral of t dt is t square by 2. Okay. And t is in terms of x, it is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x the whole square by 2 plus c. Okay. Next one, integral of sin root x divided by root x into dx. For solving, put root x equal to t. Then by differentiating we get differential of root x is 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of sin root x divided by root x into dx is equal to integral of sin root x is t. Sin t divided by dx by root x can be written as what? 2 dt. From this, see, 1 by root x dx is 2 dt. Okay. 1 by root x dx equal to 2 dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of sine t into 2 dt. It is 2 into integral of sine t dt. And integral of sine t is what? Minus cos t plus c. Therefore, minus 2 cos t plus c. Next one, integral of sec tan x into sec square x dx. Sec tan x into sec square dx. Sec tan x, its derivative, what? Sec square x present in the integral. For solving, put tan x equal to t. Then, differential of tan x is what? Sec square x into dx equal to dt. Okay, therefore the integral becomes integral of sec tan x into sec square x dx equal to integral of sec tan x is equal to t. Therefore, sec tan x is sec t into sec square dx. Sec square x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes sec t dt. And integral of sec t is log sec t plus tan t. Okay, plus c. Using this result, integral of sec t dt can be written as log sec t plus tan t plus c. Then replace t by tan x, we get log sec tan x plus tan x plus c. Okay. Therefore, integral of sec tan x into sec square x dx is equal to log of sec tan x plus tan x plus c. Next one, integral of x into cosec x square dx. For solving, put x square equal to t. Then differentiating, we get differential of x square is 2x. 2x dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes integral x cosec x square dx equal to integral of cosec t into 2x dx equal to dt. Then x dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay. The integrand is integral of cosec t dt by 2. That's it equal to 1 by 2 integral of cosec t dt. And we know the result, integral of cosec t dt is log cosec t plus cot t plus c. Integral of cosec t dt is minus log cosec t plus cot t plus c. Using this result, this integral can be written as equal to 1 by 2 into log minus log cosec t plus cot t plus c. Okay, that is minus 1 by 2 into log cosec t in terms of x is it's x square, cosec x square plus cot x square plus c plus c. Okay, one more, integral of cot dx divided by log sin x. Here, solving this integral, put log sin x equal to t. Then differentiating we get differential of log sin x. Log sin x is 1 by sin x into differential of sin x is cos x into dx equal to dt. That is cos x by sin x is cot x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, by substituting log sin x equal to t, then differentiating we get cot x dx equal to dt. Therefore, the integral becomes cot x dx divided by log sin x is equal to integral of cot x dx can be written as dt, and the denominator is equal to t. Therefore, the integral becomes integral of dt by t. That is integral of 1 by t dt. Integral of 1 by t dt is log t plus c equal to log t is log sin x plus c. Therefore, integral of cot x dx divided by log sin x is equal to log sin x plus c. Okay. One more question. Integral of sin log x divided by x dx. For solving, put log x equal to t. Then what? 1 by x dx equal to dt. Okay. Therefore, the integral becomes sin log x divided by x is into dx is equal to integral of sin log x is sin t. Since log x is equal to t, sin log x is sin t, and dx by x or 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So sin t dt. Therefore, integral of sin t dt is minus cos t plus c, and t in terms of x, it is log x plus c. Therefore, the answer is minus cos log x plus c. Okay. Thank you.